Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and try these Kiss Nude Impress Press On Falsies. Okay, so that is how they look. You can see the little strips of lashes and then also a lash applicator. I love a good lash applicator for lash application. I just feel like you can like really get in really close to put that lash exactly where you want it. Now, I'm looking at these and they look a little dramatic. So I don't know if I'm going to do a full strip or just like, you know, 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and mascara. I did forget to put eyeshadow underneath my eyes. I always like to put eyeshadow under there because it camouflages my wrinkles. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on this side and this side. Alright, and these are pre-bond. It says it's a pre-bond technology. Just press and go under lash application, which I haven't done it in a while, but I used to always put my lashes underneath my lash line. So I don't think there's a difference in these, but I'm gonna go with the top row. And we're just gonna go. Yeah. This is hard. Alright, let's get one right there. That's that one. I feel like it's gonna fall off. Trying to get a little corner piece right here. I'm gonna use my lash applicator. I'm not used to that one. Alright, so we have a couple on right now. Definitely a little bit quicker application with my lash applicator. I don't know, that one's just shaped weird and the little fine tip. Okay, so there's one side. I feel like this one's falling off. Alright, so that one. Okay. I feel like I can see it. I feel like I can see it in my eye. I feel like it's falling down. Oh, let's do this side. I'm gonna start. Ooh, this one feel like it's in my eye. And as I mentioned, I'm used to putting lashes underneath my lash line. If I can find it, I will link my full strip video here in the cards. Alright, so there's that side. Let me try to get one more. A good match. Alright, so here's the set. I want to try to make sure they look the same. Alright, so I used the whole top row -2 because one I dropped and felt like one shifted on me. That's it. Alright guys, so if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LOH Makeup and also _Beauty of Aquaria. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, until next time. The best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.